To configure the Harmony Box IoT, you can use Ethernet cable or USB cable. The IP addresses are already configured. However, noted that Ethernet 2 is deactivated by default, so need to use Ethernet 1 or USB. We are now connected to the web interface. At the first connection, we need to create a password. At the moment, as you can see, there is no runtime installed. It will be done later, using EcoStruxure Machine SCADA Expert. Many tabs are available. You can click on Ethernet, to manage both Ethernet port. You have also a tab to configure the box as Site Manager, using EcoStruxure Secure Connect Advisor. A tab Security to change the password. In the tab, System, you can use to update the firmware of the box IoT, save and restore a configuration to reset to box. To download a runtime and a project, need to click on the tab Download. And click on Enable Project File Download to allow the transfer. Then restart the box IoT. After restart we will switch to EcoStruxure Machine SCADA to download a project. Now, we will switch to EcoStruxure Machine SCADA Expert, to download a project. For demo purpose, we will use a demo project. When you make your project for Edgebox HMI, please select EcoStruxure Machine SCADA Expert Machine Basic. Using the Basic Edition, please check first the user manual for the limitation. To create the mobile access view, please right-click on screen then select Save All as HTML. On Mobile Access menu, make sure that Enable CGI is selected. Now, we will download the runtime and the project into the box IoT. We are connected to the box. As you can see, no runtime is installed. So we will start by the runtime. The installation of the runtime may take 1 or 2 minutes. This part of the video has been accelerated. After the runtime, download the project, then click on Run. Runtime and project have been now downloaded into our box. Return back to the hardware configuration. We can see that now the status changed and become system is running. Using the correct URL, we will display the mobile access interface. In the next video we will explain how to connect our box to Machine Advisor and Avava Insight.